Hi, everybody, and welcome to the training on the InventorySync platform. We're excited to have you on board and show you how InventorySync will make managing your inventory easier, faster, and more accurate. Beyond learning how to use the platform, the biggest takeaway from this video is understanding what InventorySync means for your business and how it can save you money. By using InventorySync, you'll waste less product, make sure nothing goes missing from shipments, and increase efficiency across all installer teams. Let's get started. To begin, open Microsoft Edge and navigate to your Hepner Sync login portal. During onboarding, users will receive a Hepner Sync login page URL, Hepner Sync organization username, and a Hepner Sync organization password. Once you're on the InventorySync homepage, you will see the option to enter in your username and password. Use your username and 6-digit password to sign in. Once you sign in, you'll see a welcome page with your name. The current InventorySync for Codings module is just one of the many modules you could have access to. Your organization can additionally add Data Sync, which is used for integrations, Analytics Sync, which is used for customized reporting, and Reach, which is helpful for B2B leads. For more information, please visit hepnersync.com. To get started, click directly into InventorySync for Codings to enter its main dashboard. As a quick overview of the dashboard, you can use the left-hand navigation bar to navigate in between tiles. You can switch quickly between tiles using the small icons without returning to the main dashboard each time. Use the back and home button at the top left-hand corner to navigate and log out anytime using the logout button in the top right-hand corner. Now, let's review what each tile does. Depending on your role, you'll see different tiles and permissions. Installers will see the inventory check-in and check-out tile and the job builder tile. The team lead will see the same view as the installer, plus the inventory management tile with limited access. The warehouse user will have full access to the inventory management tile, as well as the inventory check-in and check-out and the job builder. The office user has access to every tile except for inventory reports. And of course, the admin has access to all of the tiles. Now we will go into inventory management. So inventory management is where you create and organize all inventory items from color and finishes to chemicals to supplies. Here you can add new inventory, edit or delete existing items, search by product, and export your lists. Everything you create here feeds the drop-down menus inside inventory records, ensuring consistency across your team. Quickly, I'm going to click into color and finishes and show you what this looks like. So you do have a list of all of your different products here with the category and their price per pound. This is great for tracking costs. You can add new items using the button in the top left-hand corner. Just fill out the product, the price per pound, and the color and finish category. Like I said, each of these items feeds a drop-down in the check-in and check-out and inventory records, so it's important to have everything in the system. Now let's move into inventory records. Inventory records is your live database of all products, barcodes, and usage. From here, you can add new barcodes, search by job or product, and see total stock and usage history. There are two different search bars within inventory records. You can use the search bar above the barcodes to search for a specific product, or you can use the search items at the top of the screen to search for a specific job, status, or user. Inventory records lets you instantly track everything happening across your warehouse. Now we will move into inventory check-in and check-out. This is a tile that everyone in the company should have access to, as you're easily able to check out color and finishes, chemicals, and supplies for different projects, and you also are able to check items back in after use. Here's how you can check items in or out. You can start a few different ways, all of which are optimized for speed. Option number 1, you can use the search bar to find an item by barcode name or ID. When you click search, it automatically opens the item in edit mode. This reduces the amount of clicks needed to access the check-in and check-out process. The second option is you can scan the barcode of the item you're currently checking in or out on a phone or tablet. I don't currently have this pulled up on my end, but it will populate the item in the system without any of the manual searching. This feature is available to support crews doing multiple jobs per day. As a side note, the mobile app version is planned for release in late 2025 or early 2026. Once you find the item that you're searching for, ensure you are in edit mode either by clicking the pencil on the far right-hand side or ensuring that you can see the save and cancel button on the right side if it is set automatically to the edit mode. Inside the edit mode, please fill in whether you're checking the item in or checking the item out. I recommend doing this step first. Then you can enter in the weight that you are checking out. I'm going to do 500 pounds. Then you can find the job that you are checking out the item for, and the user will automatically default to whoever is signed in. Make sure to press save once you're completed. This automatically updates the inventory records so we know how much we have in stock and how much is checked out on a job site. When a job is complete, follow the same process to check the items back in, entering the remaining amount, the job, the user, and pressing save. Before we close out here, I want to do a quick recap of bulk ID versus unique ID. So bulk ID is faster processing, simpler tracking, and you're tracking the total weight of a product, where unique ID is item by item tracking for precision and compliance. I wanted to point out under inventory records that bulk ID does not have a check-in or checkout status. It will just show the total weight. If I switch to unique ID, which I will quickly do on the back end, you will be able to see an item status as checked in or checked out since it's per item. It also adds a trash option, which allows you to record discarded or used product accurately. By keeping your team consistent with check-ins and checkouts, InventorySync does the rest, giving you visibility, accuracy, and efficiency across your business. Thanks so much for watching, and we are so grateful to be your partner.